Hey everyone, myself Bhavya Goyal, a student at IIT Gandhinagar. I welcome you at CodeChef and let's have a look at this question.
So yeah, today's question is points table. So in this question, Alice and Bob are playing a two-round game. Each player has a primary score and a secondary score. Alice's primary and secondary scores are X and Y respectively, while Bob's primary and secondary scores are A and B respectively. So we are given their scores to us. Now the winner of the game is decided as follows. The player with the strictly higher primary score wins. So if X is greater than A, then Alice wins. If A is greater than X, then Bob wins. Now, if both players have the same primary score, so if X is equal to A, then the player with the strictly higher secondary score wins. So if X is equal to A and Y is greater than B, then Alice wins. If B is greater than Y, then Bob wins. And if Y is equal to B, then Alice wins as she registered for the game first. So to summarize, if X is greater than A, then Alice wins. If A is greater than X, then Bob wins. If X is equal to A, then we'll see the prime secondary scores. So in secondary scores, if Y is greater than or equal to B, then Alice wins. Otherwise, Bob wins. And that's pretty much the whole solution for this problem as well, because we just need to determine that who is the winner of the game. Now in the input format, will be given in a single line four space separated integers x, y, a, and b, the primary and secondary scores of Alice and Bob respectively. In the output, we need to print Alice if Alice wins, otherwise we need to output Bob. And we can print each of them in any character possible. So we can print this, and all of them would be considered identical. And the constants were given that x, y, a, and b will lie in between 1 and 10. So now let's see the first input. So in this input, 5 is greater than 4, so Alice wins. In the second input, 3 is equal to 3, but 8 is greater than 4, so Bob wins. In the third input, we are given 6 equal to 6 and 2 equal to 2, so Alice wins, right? Because all the scores are equal. Now, how would we solve it? Let's see that in the code itself. So this is the solution in Python. We're taking the input of x, y, a, and b using this map. So what are we doing here? We're first of all taking in the input of the whole line as a string and splitting it with respect to spaces and mapping them into integers inside x, y, a, and b. Now, if x is greater than a, we print Alice. If x is less than a, we print Bob. If they're equal, then we'll check the secondary scores. So if y is greater than or equal to b, we print Alice. Otherwise, we print Bob. And that's pretty much the whole solution. The time complexity is constant because we're just doing a very few number of constant time operations. Now let's see the solution in C++. So over here, we'll be first of all taking in the input of x, y, a, and b using stdc in. Then we'll be checking if x is greater than a or not. If it is, we'll simply print Alice. If x is less than a, then we'll simply print a Bob. And if they are equal, if the primary scores are equal, then we'll be checking the secondary scores. So if y is greater than or equal to b, then we'll print Alice. Otherwise, we'll simply print Bob. Now again, the time complexity of this is constant because we're just doing a very few number of constant time operations. And that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.